So you want to know how we started with $500 and scaled it to a multi-million-dollar agency? It's really simple. My business partner David and I, we started our business with $500, and from there we grew and scaled our business to a multi-million-dollar business that we're still growing today. And it's one of the reasons I love financial services. I love the life insurance industry. Is that we did not have to continue to figure out inventory restraints along the way as we were able to scale and sell more life insurance products, more financial products. The insurance companies do that for us. So a lot of businesses, as you're scaling, you're trying to figure out manufacturing or inventory and all these different challenges that we don't have. However, it does require being patient. It does require being disciplined if you're going to scale. So often agents don't scale. Maybe it's fear or they just don't understand. And so for us, it was really simple. We started with just a little bit, right, with $500, and eventually we figured out how to get $500 back. And that was a big deal for us, right? Because now we could continue to play the game and continue to learn and continue to get better. And eventually we were able to get $1,000 back. But instead of running out and celebrating, obviously we celebrated all the mini victories along the way, and we still do. But we didn't just take all that money out and then go spend it, right? And go show people how much money we're making, right? We continue to reinvest it. And that's the key, is continuing to reinvest it. And how long you do that really depends on how big you want to grow. And the cool thing is you can do the exact same thing that we have done and are continuing to do. But when we turn that 500 into 1,000, instead of pulling it out, we just reinvested it back in. What did we reinvest it back into? Typically, the number one thing is marketing, right? You're going to market yourself. You're going to invest in leads and marketing so that you can continue to scale your production. That's the first thing you're going to do. Now, there's endless things you can invest in, right? You might end up hiring an assistant. There's so many ways you can grow and scale, but the key is to be patient. And again, the bigger that you want to build, the bigger business you want to build, the more patient you have to be. Because yes, you might go out and make $20,000, and it's very tempting to just want to go take that out and go celebrate and show people how much money you're making. But you can also take that same $20,000 and reinvest it, and you can continue to grow and scale your business. And so this is an amazing opportunity for if you're an entrepreneur, if you want to grow and scale a business. You don't need a lot to start. You don't even have to have experience, because what you're going to do is you're going to be gaining the experience, and you can find people that are already having success and follow what they're doing. One thing I will tell you, if you want to avoid one of the biggest pitfalls to scaling big, is be very careful the agencies that you do get affiliated with. You want to be careful that you don't affiliate where you could end up putting a ceiling on yourself that you're not aware of. So pay attention to specifically not what's said. Pay attention to contracts and things like that. That's one of the biggest pitfalls to growing and scaling. But as long as you do it properly, where you have freedom to grow and scale, there's nothing to hold you back. What you lack in experience, right? You can just continue to invest. You're going to gain the experience. You're going to gain all the skills. But the key is patience, and you want to continue to invest and grow back into your business. So anyway, hey, I hope this helps. Look, we started small, but we had a big dream, and we just continued to reinvest and continue to scale, and you can do the exact same thing.